Hooray for birds. I like this picture. Just wanted to show it to you. Can you imagine just for one day you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray! This book's a little bigger. The sun is up. The sky is blue. Wake up and shout. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher up in the sky. I love the pictures. Hop, hop, hop. Peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. What kind of bird is that? Say, hello, darling. Then swoop like a starling. Sorry, I was trying to read upside down. Swoop up and down. Swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Say cluck cluck and lay an egg. Catch a wriggling snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing, tra-la-la, tweet, 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 hum, 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 cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Show off your tail and puff out your chest. Then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say goodnight. Tweet, tweet, hoo, hoo. Can you be a busy bird? Hooray, hooray.